Assalamualaikum students, hope you are all fine and doing well. In our last lecture, we were done with the unit 14 volume, comparing volume, measuring volume in liters, and it was all that we were done in our previous lecture. Today we are going to start word problems of this unit, textbook word problems. Unit 14, volume, word problems. Open your books, textbook. Open your book, page number 245. You need to solve these sums on your notebook. First question I am going to read. Question number 1. Leila fills two empty containers with a total of 83 liter of water. Okay, two empty containers that are filled with 83 liter of water. One container holds 26 liter of water. What is the volume of water in the other container? Okay, we have two containers over here and we know the volume of water in each container. We do not know the volume of water in another container, so we get to know that. So what will you do? For your first statement will be total volume of water into a container is equal to 83 liters. Okay, water in one container 26 liter. It will be your second statement, and your third statement you need to find out the exact amount of volume. Water in other container is equal to question mark. Okay, you will when you will subtract 26 from 83, you will have your final answer 57 liter. So your fourth statement will be water in other container is 57 liter. When will you will subtract it, you will have this answer. Okay, now what you will do, if you will to find out your answer, that is it correct or not correct, so you can 57, you can add 57 plus 26, so it will be 83 total amount of total volume of two containers. Question number 2. At a party, Mary prepares 35 liter of coffee, 52 liter of tea and 65 liter of cold drink. How many liters of drink does she prepare altogether? Okay, now in this question, in this statement, we get to know that we need to make three first statements. Volume of coffee, number 1 statement, is equal to 35 liter. Volume of tea is equal to 52 liter. Volume of cold drink 65 liter. Now, when in this question, as I told you in the classroom as well, that how many liters of drink does she prepare altogether, when here is a statement altogether, we have here word altogether word here, so it means that we are going to add it. So total volume altogether is equal to question mark. Total volume altogether is equal to 35 plus 52 plus 65. You need to add them and then you will have your exact answer. It will be 152 liter. Question number 3. Each bucket can hold 3 liter of water. As you see on your book, there are 10 buckets. Jason pours 10 buckets of water into an empty tank. What is the volume of water in the tank? As you can see on your book, page number 245, there are 10 buckets. Each bucket has 3 liter of water, and there is an empty tank. We need to put this water in this empty tank, and then we need to tell them that what will be the total volume of water in the tank. So 3 liter of water in each bucket, and 10 buckets are in total. So what will you will do in this question? You need to multiply it. When you will multiply 3 with the 10, then you will have your exact answer. So your first statement will be each volume of each bucket is equal to 3 liter. Number of buckets, statement 2, Number of buckets 10 is equal to 10, and your third statement will be volume of water in the tank is equal to question mark, and then you need to find out that 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. And here on your screen you can see a final statement written over here. You need to write your final statement as well on your notebooks. Number 4. Nida needs 12 liters of coffee to fill up 2 identical jugs. How many liters of coffee can each jug hold? Okay, we know the volume of coffee, that is 12 liter in total, and we have 2 jugs, as we get to know from statement that we have 2 jugs, but we do not know that in each jug what will be the volume of coffee in each jug. So what we will do, we will divide this question, divide these numbers. Okay, your first statement will be volume of coffee is equal to 12 liter, number of jugs is equal to 2, liters of coffee each jug holds is equal to 12 divided by 2. So simply it will be 6 liters. You need to write your final statement on your notebooks. Students, now you need to open your workbook, mathematics workbook, page number 132. These are also word problems that we are going to do on your books, on your workbooks. Question number 1. Mrs. Lee had 18 liters of juice in a container. She bought 25 more liters of juice. What was the total volume of juice Mrs. Lee had? So after reading the question, we get to know that she was already had 18 liters of juice, and then she brought 25 liters more juice. So after reading the statement, we get to know that we are going to add this question. So your first statement will be volume of juice is equal to 18 liters. Volume of more juice is equal to 25 liters. Total volume of juice is equal to question mark, that you need to find out. And then then you will add it, 18 liter plus 25 liter. So it will be its answer will be 43 liters. And your final statement will be Mrs. Lee has 43 liters of juice. Question number 2. There were 24 liters of water in a tank. 7 liters of the water were used up by Mrs. Khan to wash clothes. What was the volume of water that remained? So after reading the question, we get to know that we need to subtract this question. We are going to do subtraction in this question. So 24 liters total water in the tank, and 7 liters of water is used. When we are going to subtract 7 from 24, so definitely we will have the total volume of remaining water. Write your statements. Your first statement will be volume of water in tank is equal to 24 liter. Second statement will be volume of water used 7 liter. Remaining volume of water is equal to question mark, that we need to find out. Then solution, 24 liter minus 7 liter is equal to 17 liter. So your final statement will be that you need to write remaining volume of water is 17 liters. Question number 3. Aisha bought 9 bottles of orange juice. The volume of orange juice in each bottle was 2 liter. What was the total volume of orange juice she bought? So we here know that number of bottles is equal to 9. First statement, the volume of orange juice in each bottle was 2 liter. We do not know that what is the total volume of orange juice she bought. So what we will do, we will multiply it. Your first statement will be total bottles is equal to 9. Volume of juice, second statement लिखें, volume of juice in each bottle is equal to 2 liters. Your third statement will be total volume of juice. 2 liter multiplied by 9. So its answer will be 18 liter. Then you need to write your final statement as well. The total volume of orange juice is 18 liters. Question number 4. Mrs. Ahmed made 12 liters of lassi. She poured them equally into 4 containers. What was the amount of lassi in each container? Okay, equally into 4 containers in the statement shows that we need to divide it. Equally means we are when we are going to divide something equally, so definitely we are going to do division in this question. Write your statements. Total volume of lassi, first statement, is equal to 12 liter. Number of containers 4. Amount of lassi in each container is equal to question mark, and then 12 liter divided by 4 is equal to 3 liters. So the amount of lassi in each container is 3 liters. Students, now move on page number 134. Question number 5. A gardener used 12 liters of water to water the plants on Tuesday. He used 5 liters less water on Wednesday. How much water did he use on the 2 days? So here is description of 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday. On Tuesday, gardener used 12 liters of water. We know the exact amount or exact volume of water, 12 liters. But we do not know that how much water he used on Wednesday. So what we will do, first we need to, this question will be done in 2 parts. First what we will do, we will find out that how much water he used on Wednesday. So write your first statement. Water used on Tuesday is equal to 12 liter. Used on Wednesday, when you will subtract 5 from 12, then you will get to know that on Wednesday he used 7 liter of water is equal to 7 liters. So now we get to know that on Tuesday he used 12 liters of water, and on Wednesday he used 7 liters of water. Now we will find out that your next statement will be water used on 2 days. Now is equal to 12 plus 7. 12 liter plus 7 liter is equal to 19 liter. Now you need to write your final statement. Water used on 2 days, 19 liters. Okay, students, we are done with 5 questions. Now question number 6, question number 7 and question number 8 are your assignment, and you need to do this these questions on your workbook. I'm going to give you idea about question number 6. It's about addition. You need to make proper statements and you need to make final statement as well. Question number 7. You need to do division in question number 7, then you will have your exact answer. This question also you need to do with proper statements and with proper final statement, and then you will have your exact answers. Students, move on page number 135. Question number 8. We need to do multiplication in this question, then you will have your exact answer. Solve this question with proper statements and write final statement as well. Students, open your book, page number 136. Look at the pictures carefully and fill in the blanks. Here are 3 pictures, X, Y and Z. In picture X you can see a bucket. You need to tell the volume of water in this bucket. You can see on your book there are 2 containers, and each container has 2 liter volume of water. What you will do, you need to add them. 2 liter plus 2 liter is equal to 4 liters. Y, move on picture Y. There is a tank. You need to tell the volume of water in the tank. So in containers you can see there are 4 containers. Each container, 3 containers have 2 liters and 1 container has 1 liter. So when we will add them, it will be 7 liters. So volume of water is equal to 7 liter in picture Y. Picture Z, jug. There is a picture of jug, and there are 2 tanks. Their volume of water is 2 liters, 1 liter in each container, and when we are going to add them, it will be 2 liters. Now a container Y has dash liter more water than container X. You can see in container Y we have 7 liter water, and in container X we have 4 liter water. So 3 liter more water will be the answer of this blank. Container Y has 3 liter more water than container X. Move on B, part B. Container Z has dash liter less water than container X. First you need to see container Z, how much volume of water it has, 2 liters, and container X has 4 liters. So 2 liters less water than container X. So part B answer will be 2. Part C. Arrange the containers in order beginning with the one that has the smallest volume of water. So when we are going to start from the smallest one, it will be, first we will write Z, then in next box we will write X, then in the next box we will write Y. Now move on page number 137. Question number 2. Jane bought 6 bottles of water. Each bottle contained 3 liters of water. How many liters of water did she buy altogether? So in this question you are going to do the multiplication. 6 bottles of water. Jane bought bottles of water is equal to 6. It will be your first statement. Second statement, each bottle contained water is equal to 3 liters, and your final statement will be total liters of water that we need to find out. 6 multiplied by 3 liter is equal to 18 liters. Page number 137. Question number 3. Safia shares 20 liters of oil equally with her friend Roslyn. How many liters of oil does each of them get? This question shows equally means that we are going to divide it. So your first statement will be Safia had oil is equal to 20 liters. Shared equally among is equal to 2. Your third statement will be oil each of them 20 divided by 2. When you will divide 20 on 2, you will have your exact answer. It will be 10 liter. You need to write your final statements on your book. Now move on page number 138. Question number 4. Barrel A contains 472 liter of oil. Barrel B contains 395 liter of oil. Part A. How much more oil does barrel A contain than barrel B? This question is your assignment. You will do it by yourself. In part A, you will subtract it. You will subtract 472 minus 395, and you will have your exact answer. And part B, what is the total volume of oil in both barrels? In total volume, what we usually do, we add it. You need to add these two amounts, and then you will have your exact answer. 472 plus 395. Then you will have your exact answer. Do both these parts with proper statements and with final statements as well. In part A, you are going to do subtraction, and in part B, you are going to do addition, and you will have your answers. Thank you. Dear students, please subscribe our YouTube channel for the completion of syllabus. Thank you.